Morning students, today we are starting a new chapter, that is playing with numbers, and that is chapter we learn about the factors. First we learn about the factors. What do you mean by factors? Factors is a number, that is a number which divides a given number completely without any remainder, without any remainder is called factor. It means a number which divides the given number completely without giving any remainder in that division. So that is called factor. Now we go for, that is, if we say that, take as example 20. 20, the number which is 20 is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 itself. By 1 we divide it as 120 ja 20, then 2 by 2 it is 2 10 ja 20, then 4 5 ja 20, then 5 4 ja 20, then 10 2 ja 20, and 2 by 20 it is 21 ja 20. In these numbers we don't have any remainder. The number will be divisible clearly and completely. So we can, I hope that you have understood the factor of factors, and I will go for multiples. What do you mean by multiples? Multiples is a number which is we get after multiplying the two numbers. Multiples is a number which we get after multiplying two numbers, or multiple of a number or what we get after multiplying a number with a natural number. Natural number. Example, 2 into 5, then we get 10. It means the number which is multiplied by 5, it is numbers. Natural number, I told in the earlier classes that natural number starts from 1 to infinite. After 1, any number we use, that is the natural number. That if we use 5, it is the natural number. 2 into 5, we get 10. That 10 will be the multiple. So the factors of 12, now we are going to know, like this we have to say that factors and multiples. Multiples are the number or what we get after multiplying a number, the number what we get. That 2 5 are 10, that we get the 10 number, it is the multiple of these two numbers, that is 2 and 5, and these 2 and 5 are the factors, and this one is the multiple. Now we go for exercise, that is 3.1. Exercise 3.1. The first question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Under that one, first is the factors of 12. The factors of 12. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 6 and 12. Like this we have to write the factors of 12. Now the least non-zero multiples of any number is only the number itself, because there is no other than the number which is given in the question. It is, answer is the least non-zero number multiples of any number is the number itself. Number itself. Now the third question is dash is the factor of every number. 1 is the factor of every number, because each and every number is multiplied by 1 itself. So 1 is the factor of each and every number. Now the fourth question. Now second, fourth and fifth you have to do it. Then second is true or false. It will be tried by you. If you have any doubt, then ask me. Now third question, write the factors of the following. Now third question, that is write the factors of the following. First one, 48. What are the factors of 48? That is 1, 2, then 4, 6, 8, 12, then 16, then 24, then 48. Now second one, 36. Again 1, 2, then 3, 4, 6, then 9, then 12, then 18, then 36, then third 28, here 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, then 28. Like this we have to find out the factors of given number. Now go to fourth question, that is write first 5 multiples of the following. We have to write the multiples of the following. Write first 5 multiples of the following. The first question is 7. Multiples of 7 is 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 41, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28 and 7 5 ja 35. These are the multiples of 7. These are the multiples of 7 up to 5. Then second one, 12. We have to write the 12 table up to 5. That is 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60. Like this we have to do the multiples of given numbers in question number 4. Now 6, 5. Fifth question, 6 is the factor of which of the following? 6 is a factor of which of the following? Here we have to find the factor of given numbers. That is fifth question, 6 is a factor of which of the following? Which of the following? Now question is 6, 10, 12, 15, 10, 12, 15, then 18, 25, 30 and 38, 46. Among these numbers, which numbers have the factor of 6? Now we have to go for table 6, that 6 1 ja 6, then 6 2 ja 12, then 6 3 ja 18, then 6 5 ja 30. These are the 6 is factor of these tables, that is 6, 12, 6 is a factor of 6, 12, 18, 30. Now we have to stop this up to this only, and remaining